In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of the Wealthfront app, a popular robo-advisor that focuses on automated investing, long-term wealth building, and hands-off money management. If you're someone who wants to invest without constantly picking stocks or watching the market every day, this review will help you understand whether Wealthfront actually makes sense for you. Wealthfront is designed mainly for people who want to set it and forget it investing experience. Once you sign up, the app asks about your goals, risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial situation. Based on that, it automatically builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you, usually made up of low-cost funds spread across stocks, bonds, and sometimes other asset classes. The idea is simple. Instead of trying to beat the market, Wealthfront helps you stay invested, diversified, and disciplined over the long term. One of the biggest strengths of Wealthfront is automation. The app handles portfolio rebalancing automatically, meaning it adjusts your investments over time to keep your risk level consistent. It also reinvests dividends for you, so your money keeps compounding without you needing to do anything. For people who don't want to stress about timing the market or making frequent decisions, this can be a big mental relief. Another strong point is the focus on long-term strategy rather than short-term trading. Wealthfront doesn't encourage day trading, stock picking, or speculation. Instead, it's built around long-term growth, steady investing, and minimizing emotional mistakes. This makes it well-suited for beginners, busy professionals, or anyone who knows they might panic or overreact during market ups and downs. Wealthfront also includes financial planning tools. You can track net worth, cash flow, savings goals, and long-term projections like retirement or major purchases. These tools help you see the bigger picture instead of just focusing on daily market movements. For users who want a clearer view of where their money is going and how it might grow over time, this adds real value. That said, Wealthfront isn't for everyone. If you enjoy picking individual stocks, actively trading, or customizing every part of your portfolio, this app will feel limiting. You don't get full control over individual investments, and that's intentional. Wealthfront is built for people who trust automated strategies and don't want to micromanage. Another downside is that while the app simplifies investing, it still involves market risk. Your portfolio value will go up and down with the market, and during downturns, losses can happen. Wealthfront doesn't eliminate risk, it just manages it systematically. Users who expect guaranteed returns or short-term gains may be disappointed. There's also the question of cost versus involvement. Since Wealthfront manages everything for you, you're paying for automation, convenience, and discipline. If you're confident managing your own investments using simple index funds on your own, you might not feel the extra value. But for people who prefer guidance and structure, the cost can feel justified. So who is Wealthfront best for? It works well for beginners, long-term investors, professionals with busy schedules, and anyone who wants automated investing without emotional decision-making. It's especially useful if you want a clean, simple app that focuses on wealth building rather than constant trading activity. On the other hand, active traders, hands-on investors, or people chasing short-term returns will likely find it too restrictive. Overall, Wealthfront is a solid robo-advisor built for long-term thinking. It prioritizes automation, diversification, and discipline over excitement and control. If your goal is steady wealth growth with minimal effort, it can be a strong option, as long as you're comfortable letting an algorithm handle the decisions. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Wealthfront or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.